Sergeant First Class V here, back with another GCS's Army helpful video. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you check out the videos that have already been posted. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Also, leave some comments down below. I'm always looking for new ideas or things that you guys want to learn. All right. So today we're talking about updating bin locations using ZBSU, Zulu Bravo Sierra uniform. So this is one of many tools you can use to actually update bin locations. You can also use ZSU or AIT. However, with these three, you do not have the ability to update the MRP type area or set a stock level, right? So that's a separate video I did in the past. Make sure you check out that video as well. So without further ado, let's jump into GArmy here and learn how to use ZBSU. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go to our material situation report, right? To be able to know what item do we want to actually put on stock, right? So I'm going to go to material management view. I'm going to type in my plant, and I'm also going to type in my storage location, and I'm going to execute. Now make sure you check out the video I did on business rules, what the criteria is for shop stock, bench stock, and so forth. So if you look here at CIIC code, bench stock can only be Zulu, right? So it's not as important for shop stock, but you have to be able to know what the CIC code means because you do manage the CIC, okay? So we're going to do tray assembly feed. So I'm just going to double click on the material number. I'm going to hit Control C for copy. I'm going to back all the way out. And then I'm going to go into ZBSU. So from here, you're just going to put in your material number. You're going to put in your plant. Now, most of the time, your plant 2000 will auto-populate. Sometimes it may not. Just remember plant 2000. So we're updating for the type. We're updating a storage bin for it. And the storage bin, we're just going to name remove 3. That way I know to go back in the system and remove it. Now, depending on the CIIC code, you can update it as bench stock and put the bench stock indicator on as well. So we're just going to hit execute. You'll hit a screen will pop up, and material bench stock storage bin changed from remove 1 to remove 3. All right. So we're going to back out. We're going to go back into our mat sit, and we're going to see what we just did. All right, there's our remove 3. This is the one we just added a bin location for. Now, like I said, keep in mind this does not change your MRP type areas, okay? So you're gonna have to go into here and actually do that. Remember, Zulu Victor is only done at the SPO level. At the unit level, you do have the ability to change the ZM, ZP, and the PD MRP types. And you can also set the safety stock for those as well. All right, so keep that in mind. I hope you liked this video. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you check out the videos that have been done so far. Hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, go Ordnance.